What if I ask you to quickly tell me in 5 seconds what will be the value of square root of 64 without using a calculator? You will laugh at me and say it doesn't require a calculator or even 5 seconds. I can answer it in 1 second. The answer is 8. But now what if I ask you to find the square root of 73 without using a calculator and within 5 seconds? You'll be like, wait a second, it's not a perfect square. Maybe around 8 something. And that's where things get tricky, right? But don't worry, today in this video, I'm going to show you an awesome trick to estimate square roots of numbers that are not perfect squares at lightning fast speed. However, at the end of this video, I'll also show you when to be careful while using this trick. So stay tuned. Let's start with the square root of 73. As a first step, write down the squares of numbers from 1 to 10. Now, just find the number whose square is just less than 73, which is 8, since 8 squared is 64. So we know that our answer will be 8 plus something, where something is a fraction. Take the number 73 and subtract it from 64, which is 8 squared. That gives you 9. Now, double the base number, 8 times 2 is 16, and put it in the denominator. So the fraction becomes 9 over 16, which is 0.5625. Final answer, 8.5625. Actual value, 8.544, which is super close and very fast. Let's try another one. Square root of 50. The perfect square, just less than 50, is 49. 7 squared. So we start with 7 plus something. Now 50 minus 49 equals 1, and double of 7 is 14. Fraction becomes 1 over 14, approximately 0.071. Final answer, 7.071. An actual square root of 50 is 7.071. Spot on. Next, square root of 30. Closest square below 30 is 25, 5 squared. So we do 30 minus 25 equals 5, double of 5 is 10. Fraction, 5 over 10, that's 0.5. So answer is 5.5. Actual square root is 5.477 again. Very close. Now, square root of 18. Closest square below 18 is 16, 4 squared. So, 18 minus 16 equals 2, and double of 4 is 8. Fraction, 2 over 8 equals 0.25. So, the estimate is 4.25. Actual value, 4.243, super accurate. Finally, let's test square root of 3. And within 5 seconds. Actual value is 1.732, not very close. This is actually a simplified version of the Babylonian method or Newton-Raphson method, an ancient and powerful technique to find square roots using iterative steps. If you want a deeper video on this trick or more like it, drop a like. If this video gets 100 likes, I'll make another banger.